So Kubernetes, it's really a workhorse in Okteto. We run pretty much everything on Kubernetes. Everything from our dev environments. One of the things that we are big on is that developers need to have access to Kubernetes when they build software, not just when they're running it. So each of our developers is running all of their dev environments on Kubernetes. Also, all of our preview environments, every time anybody in Okteto launches a PR, we create a preview environment for that change for everybody else on the team to see it and to be able to kind of like test it. And that also runs on Kubernetes. And then we have all of our analytics. We have jobs that receive data from our customers, kind of like servers that get the analytics, it gets processed, sent to a data warehouse. That's also running Kubernetes. And then of course, all of our production environments run on Kubernetes. Like we really run everything. And I think it's a testament to how good of a resource orchestrator Kubernetes is, that we can use it for dev, test, stage, prod, analytics, and everything in between. It's one of my favorite things about the community is it just makes it so much easier for us to work on our solutions and not have to worry about, like VM placement, all that stuff as that we used to have to worry about in the past. Well, I'm a little bit biased there, but of course, Okteto is one of the first things I install on any Kloof cluster I have because I'm a developer and I really like our tools. But besides that, I think the typical stack of having an ingress on my cluster, cert manager. Lately, I've been using a lot of like Litmus chaos for chaos testing, which is something else that I installed immediately. But yeah, those three are kind of like my top that I always install. I'm using the CLI called Arcade to help me manage all of this. So I just do, hey, Arcade install Cert Manager, Arcade install Nginx Ingress, Arcade install Litmus. It's really convenient. So definitely those three plus Okteto are always running on my clusters. So my preferred CNI is Cilium. I really like how powerful and flexible it is. I think their entire investment on eBPF made it really, really powerful. Network policies, all the filtering into an IP, the fact that you don't need like a card or like a network interface per IP on the pod is something that actually allows us in our solution, especially on cloud service, to scale up a lot. So definitely a big fan of Cilium, of Isovalent, and all the team building all that stuff. It's a really cool solution, and yeah, big fan. I really like, when cloud providers give you all these extra services that you don't have to think about. So I'm really looking forward. I know there's already database service plans, storage plans. So I'm really looking forward to seeing those things. I've also heard that there's something around machine learning AI that's being cooked. So I'm really looking forward to that. Honestly, anything that makes my life easier, that lets me go faster, that lets me, work on my application and not worry about the stack is definitely something I'm looking forward to. But storage, databases, and all of these things are something I'm really looking forward to seeing from Civo.